The future of network security, predictions and trends. The future of network security, predictions and trends. As technology advances, so does the need for better network security. Cyber attacks have grown in frequency, sophistication, and impact, threatening not only businesses but individuals as well. With the growth of the Internet of Things, IoT, and the adoption of cloud computing, network security experts expect more vulnerabilities to emerge. In this article, we will examine some of the prediction and trends in the future of network security. The rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence in network security. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI, are technologies that have a potential to revolutionize network security. Machine learning algorithms can be trained to identify patterns in network traffic and detect potential threats. These algorithms can also learn how to better protect against cyber attacks by analyzing previous attacks and identifying successful countermeasures. I can go a step further, using advanced techniques like natural language processing to analyze and respond to threats faster than humans. AI and machine learning can also help to improve the efficiency of network security operations. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to automate network monitoring and threat detection. This means that security teams can focus on more complex tasks like investigating and responding to attacks. The importance of user awareness in network security. Humans remain the weakest link in network security. Phishing attacks and social engineering tactics have been successful in breaching some of the most secure networks. Network security experts predict that awareness training will become an essential part of network security programs. Training programs will focus on helping users identify and report suspicious activity and avoid common pitfalls. Such as clicking on links in emails from unknown senders. The need for advanced encryption techniques. Encryption is an essential component of network security, and it has become more critical with the rise of cloud computing and the IoT. Companies that handle sensitive information must use advanced encryption techniques to secure data both in transit and at rest. Newer encryption standards such as the Transport Layer Security (TLS) 1.3 and the Secure Socket Layer (SSL) 3.0 have been developed to address the limitations of earlier encryption protocols. As cyber attacks continue to grow in sophistication, network security experts expect new encryption standards to emerge. The importance of network segmentation. Network segmentation is the practice of dividing a network into smaller subnetworks with limited access to one another. By segmenting a network, a breach in one portion of the network can be contained. Preventing it from spreading to other parts of the network. Network segmentation can also improve the efficiency of network security operations by allowing security teams to focus on protecting critical parts of the network. The rise of zero-trust network security. Zero-trust network security is a model that assumes that all devices seeking access to a network are untrusted. Under this model, devices must be verified and authorized before they can access network. Resources. Zero-trust network security is particularly relevant in a world where employees increasingly access corporate networks remotely and through personal devices. It is also becoming more common with the rise of cloud computing, where data and applications are hosted outside the organization's traditional network perimeter. The emergence of blockchain in network security. Blockchain, the technology underlying cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is being touted as a potential disruptor in network security. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that allows multiple parties to access and update data in real time without the need for a central authority. In network security, blockchain could be used to store logs of network activity, creating an immutable record that can be used to track suspicious behavior. Blockchain can also be used to verify the integrity of network configurations, preventing malicious actors from making unauthorized changes. The importance of DevSecOps in network security. DevSecOps is the practice of integrating security into the software development process. Traditionally, security was an afterthought in the software development lifecycle. This led to vulnerabilities being introduced into software that could be exploited by malicious actors. DevSecOps aims to embed security into every aspect of the development process, ensuring that vulnerabilities are identified and addressed before software is released. The growth of cyber insurance. As cyber attacks become more frequent and more damaging, companies are turning to cyber insurance as a means of mitigating the financial impact of a breach. Cyber insurance policies can cover a range of expenses, such as the cost of investigating and remedying a breach, data recovery, and business interruption. In the future, network security experts predict that cyber insurance will become a standard component of network security programs. The need for collaboration in network security. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated and harder to defend against. Network security experts predict that collaboration between organizations will become essential in the future of network security. Organizations can share threat intelligence, coordinate responses to attacks, and collaborate on developing best practices for network security. By working together, organizations can improve their ability to defend against cyber attacks. Network security is essential in today's world, and the trends discussed in this article will shape its future. As more devices become connected, network security vulnerabilities will continue to emerge, making it crucial for organizations to remain diligent in their efforts to protect their networks. One trend that will shape the future of network security is the rise of machine learning and AI. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize network security by improving the efficiency of network security operations and automating network monitoring and threat detection. Another essential trend is the need for user awareness training. Organizations should focus on educating their employees to identify and report suspicious activity and avoid common pitfalls such as clicking on links and emails from unknown senders. Encryption is also an essential component of network security, and companies that handle sensitive information must use advanced encryption techniques to secure data both in transit and at rest. As cyber attacks continue to grow in sophistication, network security experts expect new encryption standards to emerge. Network segmentation, zero trust network security, blockchain, DevSecOps, cyber insurance, and collaboration will also shape the future of network security. By adopting these trends and predicting future attacks, organizations can stay ahead of threats and secure their networks. The rise of machine learning and AI is one of the most significant trends in the future of network security. As cyber attacks become more sophisticated, these technologies can help increase network security operations efficiency. Network monitoring and threat detection can be automated, freeing up security teams to focus on more complex tasks that require human intervention. User awareness training is another essential trend shaping the future of network security. People remain the weakest link in network security and are often the target of phishing attacks and social engineering tactics. As such, awareness training is becoming an essential component of network security programs. The programs will teach users how to identify and report suspicious activity and avoid common pitfalls such as clicking on links in emails from unknown senders. Encryption will continue to be an essential component of network security, and network security experts expect new encryption standards to emerge as cyber attacks grow in sophistication. Companies at handle sensitive information must use advanced encryption techniques to secure data both in transit and at rest.